Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful, crunchy and delicious corn sticks, and also I'm going to teach you how you can start making money from it and using it for business. So if you want to get the full gist, make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is my corn flour. This is dried corn that has been blended. So we are going to use 1 kg of corn flour for this recipe. For this recipe, I used 2 medium sized of onions, small quantity of garlic clove, small size, and then little ginger, and you blend them together very smooth. Blend it very smooth, just as you are seeing. This is 1 kg of corn flour. So we'll be using sugar, about 170 gram of sugar. It is not up to a cup of sugar, so the full recipe will be in the description section. 170 gram of sugar is just okay for this recipe. Then I'll pour it in a bowl. Then after then you add your salt. This is half TBS of salt. So this is how you are going to measure it. You add it to your sugar. So from the 1 kg of your corn flour, you divide it into 2 equal parts. So that is 500 gram each. After then, so this is the first portion and this is the second portion. So after then, your sugar and your salt solution, your sugar and your salt mixture, you pour it in a bowl and add about half cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk is one of the secrets to getting a very nutritious and delicious corn sticks, but if you don't have, you can use water or you use milk powder. You can use about 1 TBS of milk powder, but I love to use coconut milk. It gives it very fine taste. After then, you add more water to form a salt and sugar solution. So make sure you mix it together. Then from the first portion of your 500 gram of flour, take about 200 gram from it, or little portion from the first part of the 500 gram of corn flour. So take little portion from it, and then you add water to form a thick mixture, just like you want to form a paste. Then you add your chili pepper. This is optional. About 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper. You mix everything together to form your slurry, like a corn flour paste, just like you want to make pap. So you can see this is the consistency you are looking for. So our salt and sugar solution is boiling already. I'm going to off it now. After then, you pour your corn flour mixture into your pot. You can rinse it and pour it in. Then don't forget your blended onions and garlic and ginger. You pour that also. You add it to it. Then after then, your salt and sugar solution that has been boiled, you can see that it is hot. That is why there is steam on my camera. Then you mix everything together. Then now I'm in my kitchen. You place it on your cooker and continue stirring till it forms a thick paste. So at this point, it is already forming a starch. the steam is affecting my camera. You can see that the mixture is popping already. It is already forming a pap. You can see that it is popping. So this is the remaining 300 gram out of the 500 gram, the other corn flour. I hope you remember. So you add it little by little into your starch and stir as you add. So while doing this process, make sure you reduce your heat, your cooker to low heat. Put your cooker at low heat as you do this, and keep on mixing and stirring just like you are preparing swallow. Do not mind my the steam is just too much here. So you keep on doing it till you form a thick starch. So look at what we have and see, we have a hard dough. So it is ready. We'll scoop it out of the pot now. So after scooping it out, this is what we have. You can see it is very hot, so we have to make sure that it is completely cool before we go on the next process. So make sure it is completely cool before we move to the next process. So here I'm trying to separate it on my work table so that it can become cool on time. So I'm trying to spread it on my work table so that it can become cool on time, and it is completely cool now. So the corn dough is completely cool at this point. So after then, from the second part of the 500 gram, you set aside a little portion for dusting. You can take out 1 to 2 cups for dusting. Because we are going to roll into sticks and we will need to dust. So the remaining portion, you add it to your dough. You add it to the corn starch and mold them together to form corn dough. So this is how you are going to be doing it. So you have to do a lot of hand workouts here. So you mold the starch together. So as you are molding, you add some corn flour. You keep on molding till you get a corn dough like this. So that is how you are going to do till you get all your corn starch molded into balls. So you get it molded into corn balls. And if you are molding and you observe that it is too hard, you can add just a little quantity of water just to bring them together and keep on molding. Voila! Our corn balls are ready. Our corn dough is ready to be molded into sticks. So this is the most interesting part of all the processes. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for watching. So at this point, this is where we roll our corn starch into sticks. So just follow this process. It is very interesting, and it requires some skills. So you can see the way I'm doing it. Just roll it into sticks into any length that you want, and make sure that you don't apply too much pressure. You can and see, and make sure also that it is not too thick. Thank you once again for watching to this moment. If you have any question, make sure you ask in the comment section, and also the full recipe for this commercial kokoro will be in the description section. And don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also watch my other videos on how I make kokoro and other amazing recipes. So you can also roll into balls, as it is easy and convenient for you. So our corn sticks are ready to be fried. The truth is, rolling into sticks can be time consuming and kind of stressful. So if this is your first time, you can have the recipe for just practice till you get used to it. So I am now onto the frying stage. So at this frying stage, make sure your oil is hot enough. Then after your oil becomes hot, reduce your fire to low heat. You should fry your kokoro on low heat so that it does not get too dry or get burnt. And also, do not overcrowd your oil and do not stir immediately. Allow it to become dry a bit before you start stirring. And if you have a pot that is large enough to contain a larger quantity, you can go ahead and add more corn sticks dough. So once it becomes golden brown, just bring it out immediately. Remember, the dough is hard already and you wouldn't want to fry too hard so that your corn sticks will not be too hard. What we want is a crunchy corn stick and not the one that will be too hard. So the corn sticks are ready. Now the color is golden brown. I don't know, maybe because of the weather, my camera is giving me something else. So it is not too hard. It is crunchy. And delicious. Can you hear the crunchiness? Now let's get to the business aspect of it, the part of making money. So I'll start packaging the corn sticks now. So this is the mini pack. So you can have about 12 to 14 pieces. This can be sold for 100 Nigerian naira. So, but first, make sure you calculate your cost very well. So when I made this quantity, I got about 1.1 kg of kokoro from the 1 kg of corn flour. So this can be sold for 100 naira or 150 naira depending on your location and your cost of production. So for the also, you can also package in Ziplocs too and sell in the supermarket. So this industry is like, kokoro is not very popular, so if you can start making it and supplying to supermarkets, it can be lucrative. You can also check out my video on how to calculate your cost. So I've been in this business for the past 2 years now and I've been making profit from it. So kokoro does not require so much ingredients and it does not need so much oil for you to fry, and it does not take so much time to fry also. So once you package in your Ziploc, so this contains about 40 sticks, and from my calculation, my Ziploc from the cost price is 100 naira and I have 40 sticks. So each sticks could be, you decide that each sticks could be 5 naira or 3 naira, and you can even sell this at supermarket at the rate of 1,000 naira. From 800 naira to 1,000 naira, even more. All you need to do is just to package it. You can see that it is presentable here. So it is a market that you would want to venture into. So after calculating my cost for this kokoro, I was able to make a profit of about 1,000 naira. So have you seen this kind of product before in a supermarket? Let me know in the comments section. You can make up to 1,000 naira to 5,000 naira selling this product, depending on your market and depending on how you package it very well. So kokoro is very lucrative. So after making the kokoro, this is the quantity of flour that remains. So even from the 1 kg of flour, you still have this quantity left, and all you have to do is just to measure it. Yours can be different. Mine is 150 gram, so yours can be different. So you have to do is just to subtract it from your cost of production. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.